Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be covering the final tragic events of Shakespeare's Othello by analyzing Act 5, Scene 1 and 2. These scenes are intense, filled with betrayal, violence, and the devastating outcomes of Iago's manipulations. We will go through a summary of each scene followed by an in-depth critical analysis. Let's get started. In Act 5, Scene 1, Iago's manipulations take a violent turn. He convinced Rodrigo to attack Cassio, hoping to eliminate him as further proof of Desdemona's supposed infidelity. However, Cassio successfully defends himself, wounding Rodrigo. In the confusion, Iago stabs Cassio in the leg and escapes, leaving Cassio wounded and Rodrigo dying. Othello arrives, believing Cassio is dead, and sees this as a final proof of Desdemona's betrayal, solidifying his resolve to kill her. The scene ends with Iago killing Rodrigo to cover his tracks, then framing Cassio's lover Bianca as a suspect. In Act 5, Scene 2, the tragedy reaches its climax in Desdemona and Othello's bedroom. Othello stands over Desdemona as she sleeps, intending to kill her for her supposed betrayal. Despite her pleas for mercy, Othello smothers her. Emilia arrives just in time to uncover Iago's deception and reveals Desdemona's innocence. Iago, now exposed, kills Amelia and flees. Othello, overcome with guilt, attempts to kill Iago but is disarmed. Finally, he takes his own life, dying beside Desdemona. The play closes with Iago taken into custody, leaving a chilling silence about his motives. Critical analysis. Let's break down these final moments. Act 5, Scene 1's violence reveals how completely Iago's lies have ensnared everything around him. Rodrigo, manipulated from the start, dies due to Iago's deceit, symbolizing the tragic consequence of blind trust and misguided love. Cassio's survival, despite Iago's plan, adds tension as the play heads towards its conclusion. In Act 5, Scene 2, we see Othello's tragic flaw, his susceptibility to jealousy, reach its peak. His internal conflict, overwhelmed by Iago's lies, drives him to murder the innocent Desdemona. Desdemona's death becomes a symbol of innocence destroyed, highlighting the play's exploration of justice twisted by jealousy. Amelia's bravery in exposing Iago, despite the cost to her life, starkly contrasts with Iago's evil, revealing a strong moral force against deception. Othello's suicide serves as an act of atonement, attempting to reclaim his lost honor by ending his life. Finally, Iago's silence is chilling. He withholds his motives, leaving his character shrouded in mystery and evil. These unresolved motives makes Iago one of Shakespeare's most enigmatic villains, emphasizing the incomprehensible nature of evil. In conclusion, Act 5's final scenes show us the full extent of Iago's manipulations and Othello's tragic fall from a noble hero to a broken man. The themes of jealousy, innocence, betrayal, and the complexity of human emotions make Othello one of Shakespeare's most profound tragedies. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in depth Shakespeare's breakdown. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next class.